This part of our adventure takes us to Pueblo, Colorado. Now today. Well, I was gonna drink some Walter's beer here in Pueblo, but it's Sunday and they close. So here in Pueblo, they got a little riverwalk system here, canal system. Yep, here comes a boat. They got a nice little riverwalk system, canal system. Yeah, the town's got a few restaurants and stuff on it. See, when you look back off this way, you can see all the little restaurants and shops and things. Pretty cool. Well, that's pretty cool. They're having a pizza lunch on the boat ride.
That's so cute. God, it's hot. Oh, here's a covered one coming like the riverwalk.
It's 100 degrees.
Feels like every bit of it, too.
Sure does.
Even hotter than Dallas. Golly. But, why Dallas have a big one?
I don't know.
Around the Trinity River.
We got the Trinity. Cesspool of shit.
Yeah, they should have made it.
So that's the current temperature here in Pueblo.
It's hot. Stay here the night.